Hello students and welcome to the new video of standard 10 science chapter 10. So in earlier video we have studied about different types of images formed by the lens. Now in this section we will start with topic 10.3.6, which is sign convention for spherical lenses. For lenses, we follow sign convention similar to the one used for spherical mirrors. We apply the rules for signs of distances, except that all measurements are taken from the optical center of the lens. So मिरर में हम जैसे सारे डिस्टेंसेस पोल पी से लेते थे, वैसे ही लेंस में हम सारे डिस्टेंस ऑप्टिकल सेंटर ओ से लेंगे. According to the convention, the focal length of the convex lens is positive and that of a concave lens is negative. This thing please remember. Focal length of convex lens will be positive, whereas for concave lens it will be negative. So whenever your lens will be convex lens, then f will be positive, and if your lens will be concave lens, then your f will be negative. You must take care to apply appropriate signs for the values of u, v, f, object height h, and image height h dash. Okay, so these all things are similar to the our mirrors, that if your object will be at the left side, then it will be minus. If it will be right side, it will be plus. If your image will be left side, then it will be minus, and your image will be right side, then it will be plus. Same way, your height will be upward direction, then it will be positive, and if your image height will be downward direction, then it will be negative. So basically you take one line like this. Okay, so this way it will be negative, this way it will be positive, this way it will be positive, and this way it will be negative. Okay, now lens formula and magnification. Same, above formula 1 upon u plus 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f. That formula is for mirror. Now for lens, the formula is 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. The lens formula given above is general and is valid in all situations for any spherical lens. Take proper care of the signs of different quantities while putting numerical values for solving problems relating to lenses. Now another formula is for magnification. The magnification produced by a lens similar to that of spherical mirrors is defined as the ratio of height of the image to the height of the object. Okay, height of the image is h dash and height of the object is h. So the ratio of this h dash and h is called our magnification. Magnification produced by a lens is also related to the object distance u and image distance v. This relationship is given by v upon u. Okay, so this is another formula of magnification. Now let's solve one numerical. Example 10.3. A concave lens has a focal length 15 centimeter. Remember, this is the concave lens. So for concave lens, I told you that focal length will be negative. Okay, so our f will be negative. So our focal length will be minus 15. At what distance should the object from the lens be placed so that it forms an image at 10 centimeter from the lens? Okay, we get our image distance is 10 centimeter. We have to find our object distance, and image is at the left side, so it will be minus. So we will put the lens formula as 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. So 1 upon v will come to the right side, so 1 upon minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f minus 1 upon v. But due to this minus sign, we have to take it plus, so 1 upon u, and this will be interchanged. So 1 upon v minus 1 upon f, and 1 upon v is minus 10 and 1 upon f is minus 15. So when we solve, we get u is equal to minus 30 centimeter. This minus sign shows that our object will be on the left side. Okay, this is our lens, so our object will be left side of the lens. Thus the object distance is 30 centimeter. Now we have to find magnification produced by the lens. So magnification formula, m is equal to v upon u. V is minus 10 and u is minus 30. So 10 upon minus 10 divided by minus 30, which will be 1 upon 3, and it will be plus 0.33. And this plus sign shows that the image is erect virtual and image is 1/3 of the size of the object. Okay, this 0.33, it means shows that 10 that 10 is 1/3 of the size of the object is, for example, 3 times bigger than the image. Okay, and this positive sign. And also in concave lens always your image will be virtual and erect, and if that sign will be minus, then our image will be inverted and real. Okay, so same way you can solve example 10.4 also. If you find any problem in this example 10.4, then you can ask me. This sum I give you for all as a homework. Now let's move to the last theory of this chapter, which is 10.3.8, power of lens. You have already learned that the ability of a lens to converge or diverge light rays depends on its focal length. For example, a convex lens of a short focal length bends the light rays throughout large angles by focusing them closer to the optical center. Similarly, concave lens of a very short focal length causes higher divergence than the one with a longer focal length. So the power of this diverging or converging is depend on their focal length. The degree of convergence of or divergence of a light rays achieved by a lens is expressed in terms of its power. The power of a lens is defined as the reciprocal of its focal length. It is represented by the letter P. The letter P of a lens of focal length f is given by this formula. P is equal to 1 upon f. If so, when we increase our focal length, our power will be decreases, and if we decrease the focal length, then our power will be, focal length decreasing, then power will be increasing, because it is inversely proportional to focal length f. The SI unit of power of a lens is diopter. It is denoted by the letter capital D. Now if f is expressed in meters, then power is expressed in diopters. Thus 1 diopter is the power of a lens whose focal length is 1 meter. So 1 diopter is equal to 1 meter inverse. Okay, 1 upon m, so we can write it as a meter inverse. You may note that the power of a convex lens is positive and that of a concave lens is negative. Opticians prescribe corrective lenses indicating their powers. Let us say that lens prescribed has power equal to plus 2.0 D. Okay, so if you, anybody of you have spectacles, and when you check the eye specialist, then they write your numbers in diopter unit. So if they write plus 2.0 diopter, it means that your lens will be convex lens because your power is positive, and its focal length will be 1 upon 0.5. So its focal length will be 0.5. That means the lens prescribed is convex lens. The focal length of the lens is plus 0.50 meter. Similarly, a lens of power minus 2.5, if it will be minus, then your lens will be concave lens and your focal length will be minus 0.40 meter. So the lens will be concave lens. Okay, so that's the end of your chapter. I hope you all find this chapter very easy, and if you face any problem in this chapter, then you can ask me your doubt. And also there is one homework. Please solve all the numericals and all the questions from your exercise. Okay, because this is very important. So please solve all the exercise questions at your home. So thank you and see you to the next lecture. Bye.